Thanks a lot for registering and trusting me with your contact details. I'm really excited that you're interested to explore the alternatives ways to earn an income, and in the end, an alternative way to live your life. It shouldn't just be about surviving each day. It should be about thriving, about enjoying yourself, having that sense of purpose from your job, and of being of help to others. For now, I'm sure that you're feeling that it's all very theoretical. Well, it is in your head, right? And that's where it starts. But the most critical step comes now. And you've already demonstrated that you're prepared to do this by tapping on that link and sharing your contact details with me. So continue taking this action. You are on the right path. We get nowhere if things stay as they are. So take action. This is what I done not so long ago. By the side of my day job and with a young family, I was determined to carve out some time from my busy schedule to learn something new and be guided, almost handheld, through the technical wizardry of getting a website up and running and my online business established. Initially, it looked like a mountain, but in reality, it's just lots of little steps, and you can take them whenever you want. And do you like support and shortcuts? Well, the digital education platform provides amazing support, and there are loads and loads of shortcuts that give you really an amazing boost, getting you into a position where you can launch a business within a matter of weeks, if you've got the time to spend on it, of course. One of the most amazing things that I have discovered is that the skills that you learn from establishing yourself online, your website, is that they can be applied to absolutely anything, any industry, any interest, any talent. So I'm sure you've got some ideas that you want to try out, right? But what's been missing is your ability to put them online, to test them out, to monetize them. So if that's been missing, then that's something that you absolutely need to know and be able to do. I mean, I think it's a skill that everyone should have, to have access to and to be able to do themselves, since only then are you in control of your own income, your own life, your own destiny. And the other amazing thing is that by taking the action, so many other doors open up, ideas and what else you can tackle in life. I can't imagine standing still for the next 20 or 30 years, performing the same job day in, day out. So this is truly the perfect solution that will stay with you and grow with you over the next years and decades. If you have a spare hour right now, then please feel free to dive into the first workshop video that's in your inbox now and explore how you can set up an online income from scratch. If you've got a little bit longer, then below this video here, there's a special bonus webinar running right now where my mentor, Stuart, is talking about how to create your dream business online. Now, if that's of interest to you, jump right in. The link, as I mentioned, is below here. In any case, I'll be sending you some emails over the next few weeks that'll give you further insight into the alternatives that you can create in the digital world and that can have a profound and great impact on you. All the workshop videos in the emails, they're on demand, so pick a good time for you. Thanks a lot for your time and trust in me. To wrap it up, if you've got ideas that you want to try out to see if you can make them work online, then this is absolutely the solution for you. If you're looking for an alternative way to earn an income because you either don't have a great one right now or you're tired with your current job, then this is also for you. Stop surviving and start thriving. Explore the alternatives, they're waiting for you. Continue taking that action that you have promised yourself. I mean, I'm really happy, really excited to be helping you on your journey. So please go ahead and enjoy the next steps.